lakini hilo ndilo ambalo halikai katika mzani mmoja.
Naam, niseme kwamba na tumai kila mtu ameweza kujionea, na tukiwa hapa vile tulikuwa tumeketi, ukiona kila mtu alikuwa sababu unasikia kilo, and it's such a pity for an expert, because the guys in the government studio, they are experts par excellence, but the government have made them sound, for lack of a better word, with all due respect, dumb. That's why they are trying to find themselves, because there's something, they know how it's supposed to be said, but they can't say it. And you don't have to be the sharpest tool in the room to know things are not right. And I want to go back to what Madam Wamushomba said. She's my MP, that the Mwananchi doesn't understand. Kenyans understand. They might not understand it in billions, but they know things are not right. So when we say we want to collect a certain amount of money, again, you don't have to be the sharpest tool in the room to know if you move me out of production. For example, in content creation, there is someone who said people who don't pay are the ones who are being targeted. I pay, for a company, I pay the corporate tax, 30%. I do the VAT, 16%. I also do the 5% withholding that is done by the client to KRA. And now I have to pay NHIF, NSSF. I match what the employees are paying, and also NITA. NITA is the national training. And Juicy, it's so funny that Juicy, the former boss, was in court because of corruption. So again, we go back to, yes, we don't have a problem in terms of what pesa. It pertains to see when we are talking about kusaidia production. That's what they should be doing again, kusaidia production, because a lot of manufacturers are closing down. Some try coming in other countries. Look at what Rwanda is doing. Rwanda is a very small country, but look at what is happening down there. So we don't have a problem in terms of collection. We have a problem in spending. And again, we have another problem. The guys that we have who, again, I don't have nice words to say, but they don't see, they know what they are doing. Walijipata hapo, and then we are like, well, utafanya nini? So that's why an expert will sound that way, because someone, somewhere, because again, submission, it that work to have aided in terms of production to ensure I'm in production, manufacturers are in production, the guys who are in transport industry are in production, because if they tax all of us now, next year what tax nani? Maybe they'll go to where Korea was talking about, but